So we see, although Lord Chaitanya himself, the six Goswamis, all the gurus in Parampara, and all the Parivars in tradition, Mahaprabhu is a personification of inclusivity. Understand? Inclusivity. He includes everyone. Come on, everybody. Everybody's welcome here. So that's the beauty. If you go to Madhva Sampradaya, yes, you're welcome. Oh, for one question. Are you a Brahmin? Yes. Oh, yeah, you're welcome, I'm a Brahmin. Oh, but I'm a Kshatriya. No, Joe. Acha, sorry. Because you can only be a follower of the Madhvacharya in the Madhva Sampradaya if you're a Brahmin. And they have no Diksha. Because the Diksha is the Brahm Gayatri, which your father gives you or your Guru gives you. And by chance, if you're a Brahmin, that hasn't happened because you're not married. Generally these days, no one gets the Upanayanam until just before marriage.